Do lead magnets really work? Do you feel like you just have a crappy lead magnet? Or maybe you have a crappy mindset?
Yeah, he looks pretty crappy.
All right, well, don't worry, because in this video, we're going deep into what are lead magnets, how you can use them, what makes a great one versus a bad one, and how you can leverage them to increase the lead quality for your business.
Hello, Hank. I'm listening.
Welcome back to Video Power, where we talk about ways to grow your business through the power of video. So the first point I want to make is, what is a lead magnet? Well, it's a magnet that attracts leads to you, right? It's a free gift that you can use to give people for free in exchange for their contact information, right? So here's some value. If you want this training or this tool or this resource, just put your name, email, possibly phone number, and there's like that value exchange, right? So really, in your marketing, the lead magnet is the bridge from a click to your website to a sales conversation or a customer or buyer, right? It's that gift that you give away, and it's a really key, important piece. Because if you have a great lead magnet, you'll get some great quality leads, and if you don't, then you're gonna attract the wrong type of person. So what makes a great lead magnet? Well, I think of the word save, S-A-V-E. So the first word is it's short. Like, people can use it. Maybe they take 5 to 15 minutes to consume it. Like, you don't want to have a huge, long 101 things that you can do to grow your business or whatever. Like, make it short and sweet. People can consume it in 5 or 15 minutes. The other one is it needs to be actionable. It can get them a quick result. Maybe it can help them write a script. Maybe it can help them know what mistakes to avoid when buying a house, or like it gets them a quick win, right? The third one is it's valuable. It solves a specific problem. Like, I know some of our clients that we run ads for, they have a tool. Like, if you use this calculator, you can see how much you can buy a house for, or if you use this calculator, you can see how much you'll save over a certain amount of time. Like, calculators or tools or any type of resources that can get a specific result is a great tool to use. I know Neil Patel, like, he always has great lead magnets. Another person that I like to follow, Taki Moore, in the coaching space. He's got some awesome lead magnets. So if you want a great example of lead magnet, go check out their stuff. You won't regret it. The last one is it's easy. It's easy to use. There's simple 3 steps or 5 steps on how you can get that specific result. So look at your lead magnets and see, how can it be short, how can it be actionable, how can it be valuable, and how can it be easy. Now, a lot of times we have clients like, oh, we're just getting crappy leads. And I'm gonna tell you one thing, you don't have crappy leads, you have a crappy mindset. So let me walk you through some numbers and what I mean by that. So every 100 leads that download your lead magnet or that get on your list, or the leads that you'd call them, there's certain percentages of those people that are gonna follow through, and there's certain people that won't. So out of every 100 leads, the 60 people on your list, they're just never gonna work with you. They're just tire kickers. They want free information. They're gonna sit there and they're gonna consume, and they're never gonna take action, okay? That's just the way it is. 30% of the people, if you have a great nurture sequence and follow-up sequence and conversation, 30% of the people will buy from you in the next 2 years, right? It could be like 90 days, it could be 2 years, but if you keep nurturing that prospect, they will be ready to take action. In fact, I know I've had people that are on our list for a while, and then finally, like, hey, I finally saw your email. I want to reach out and I want to have a conversation with you. And they've been on the list for like a year. So it just takes time to have people build trust and for you to provide enough value for them to feel confident to work with you. So that's 30%. And then you got 10%. 10% of your leads, they'll work with you sometime between now and the next 90 days. Right? If you have the right conversation sequence going on. So with that mindset, some people look at the 60, and some people don't even have a nurture sequence or any type of email follow. Like, there's no follow-up. And so of course you think you've got terrible leads because you're not doing anything to add value to them, right? You're just kind of ignoring them. They're just there, they're sitting there. But those people that do have a nurture sequence, that do add value and continue to create content for them, when these people are ready, they're gonna take action. right? So like these 10 people, and I got this from my friend Nicholas Kuzmich, but he calls them info seekers versus solution seekers, right? Most of these people, these 60%, they're just looking for info. They just want something for free. They're going to take action. But these 10% people and some of these 30%, these are solution seekers. These are people who want a specific action. Like they're not going to want to watch a webinar. It's like most people aren't going to want to watch a webinar. At least the people that want to work with you, they're not going to want to watch a 2-hour webinar or download a lead magnet. They want to talk to somebody and talk about how they can fix their problem now. So in your lead magnet sequence, make sure that you have an option for the solution seekers where they can work with you quickly. And typically that involves a conversation or a phone call. So again, I hope this is helpful. I don't think you have crappy leads. I think you have a crappy mindset, and I think you can fix your crappy mindset and your crappy leads and make it so that you are able to add more value to your audience and build more trust, and then more people want to work with you. So again, I encourage you to look at your lead magnet. Is it short? Is it actionable? Is it valuable? Is it easy? And do you have a way to reach out to the solution seekers? And if you do, your business will start to grow. So if you want to learn how much it will cost to run ads to your lead magnet and what those numbers check out to be, whether you're advertising on YouTube, Google, whatever, you're going to want to watch our next video because we dive into all of that stuff. So thank you and hope you enjoy. Speaking of lead magnets, we've got several lead magnets ourselves. We have a YouTube ad video framework that helps you write your script for your video ad. It's a framework that we've used for the last like 10 years. We have a ROAS calculator. Some people want to know what type of returns they'll get based off their conversion rates and certain amount of ad spend. Well, we have a calculator that can map that out. We also have an advanced training where if you would like to add an extra 6 figures to your business with YouTube ads, we break down that whole process in the training. So if any of those tickle your fancy, feel free to find the link below, click on it, and enjoy the tool. It's free. And if you'd like to work with us, there's that option too. Do you have crappy leads? Maybe you have a crappy lead magnet, or maybe you have a crappy mindset. Regardless, in this video, we're going to break down what makes a great lead magnet, why you need one in your business to get qualified leads, and what percentage of those leads will actually work with you. So check out this video. If you're in marketing and you're wanting to grow your business, this will be really valuable. Check it out.